Going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this low mileage, really clean 2022 Street Glide Special in Gunship Gray. Stick around for the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Starting at the front, you got the blacked out front end with the black axle nut covers. Highway pegs. This bike has the 114 in it. It's got docking hardware for a future passenger backrest or luggage rack. Got an S&S exhaust. All the way around. The Harley Derby cover, shifter pegs. 1,072 miles on it. It's got the 14-inch blacked out bars, grips, mirrors. It's got some windshield pouches up front. Go ahead and get it started. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.